My name is Dashleen Gonzalez. I'm studying MFA Illustration. I love art. Since I was a kid, I wanted to do something art-related, something that would let me have a family too. I want to be a mom, I want to be a wife, I want to settle down. Illustration gives me the freedom to do both things. I can do illustration back on my house being a freelancer. I can work for a company remote. I can teach. I actually didn't know how to do any of this before I got here. This is art licensing, so we just create collections that we will put into products to sell to people, novels, phone case, all those fun things we like, patterns. And I just created a spring collection. These are my designs for the collection, and these are the mock-ups, like examples of how the company can use it on products. This school is concentrating in networking and creating the portfolio so I can have something to present to someone. Classes have helped me a lot, and I feel like networking helps a lot too. It led me to find a passion that I didn't knew that I could do, and a path career that I didn't knew that it was available for me. And I feel like I have a good shot at it. I have met a lot of friends. I have traveled a lot. I'm finally living the life I always wanted since I was a kid.